What's going on, guys? I was actually in the greenhouse today and I was going to plant some seeds, and I figured I might as well show you guys what I do. It's really nothing special. Just a little tip and trick for you, though, that I've learned and kind of been doing and seems to be working, and it saved me a pretty good amount of money. Instead of going to the big box store, right, to buy all your potting mix and all that fancy stuff that try to sell you for like $12, $7, $8. If you stick around to the end, I'll show you a little trick. So today, what we're going to be planting is, we're actually going to plant some corn on the inside of the greenhouse. Get some nice starts, and then we'll take them out and I'll plant them in the bed that I've got ready over there on the top of the hill. So we're going to be planting, these are all from Haas Seeds. If you guys don't know about them, check them out. Not sponsored, but we got some peaches and cream, sweet corn, some Jubilee sweet corn, and some Avalon sweet corn. Now, the coolest thing is, these have the same days to harvest, which is 80, and this one has 100. So I could plant these when they're ready, wait about another 2 weeks on these guys, and then there won't be no cross-contamination, no cross-pollinating, because these guys will already be done for the most part, and their cobs will be ready by the time these guys go and start pollinating. It's pretty cool. Alright, so all I do is I get my tray. Here, I'll actually show you real quick. It's really easy. I'll dump this one out and I'll show you. I already did this, and I figured I might as well show you. I'm doing these in the small cells just because they're going to be like this high, and then I'm moving them out. You can put them in a little bit bigger ones, but you want to get corn pretty quick. You don't want it to establish too quickly in here. You want to move them really fast. Anyways, you get your cell, empty cell. I just get about 3, 4. You just spread it out. Get it in there, break up into big chunks. Usually I grade this stuff, but my grader don't have it up right now. Sorry if it's too loud. It just started raining. I'm in the greenhouse. Yeah, just smooth it on out. Get the chunks out. Fill up any holes. And that's it. And then all I do with the tray itself, once I'm done, do a little stack like that. Kind of just packs it down just a little, not too much, just a little bit. Now, me personally, that's just what I found is the easiest for me. You can wet this afterward, but what I like to do is once I've got the stuff, the potting soil in here, is I go ahead and give it a good wet, get it all really wet, saturated, because if you don't, a lot of times it'll sit like that deep. You'll think you wet it, but it'll only be actually like that much. And if you don't have a bottom watering tray like these, then your plant's just going to dry out. And with seedlings, it's really important to keep them moist, not drowning, but moist. You got to have heat and moisture. So I'm going to go ahead and wet these down. Go ahead and get the hose. Give them a good rinse. All right. we'll let that sit for a minute. Should go pretty quickly. Mixture I have works really well for some drainage. Just let it go through, but also holds water relatively well. So yeah, so we'll get it done. Ruined it again. Wife's gonna have to come back and edit this, or I might just leave it. Not sure yet. She's over there smiling at me, thinking it's funny I'm doing videos. Doesn't want to come in right now. Alright, so all I'm going to do is, me personally, I like peaches and cream. So we're going to get 2 trays of this. And I'll come through, I just take my 4 fingers, and just make little indents in it. Nothing crazy. Corn doesn't send very deep roots, so you want to kind of get them in there just enough, about up to like the first knuckle. There she is.
I have a trowel.
A trowel? Yeah. Here you go. Look at that.
What are you talking to?
I'm making a video. Don't drop it. You should go through, do all this. Get your beds prepped. She's over there digging up some unsightly weeds she doesn't like. They don't produce pretty flowers that are perennials or food. They're history. I gotta fight her just to keep anything pretty that's an angel. Alright, let's do this peaches and cream. I'll probably take you in after I put it in here so you guys can see how deep I put it and what I do. So all I do is I get a good handful. Nothing too much to start out with. Alright. What? Hang on. Okay. Let me just put this real quick. Put your corn in. Just like that. Only want about 1. If you get 2, it's kind of okay, but you're gonna have to thin it later. You just want 1 right now. Just dropping corn all over the place. There's a little corn in the greenhouse popping up, but I don't get these things out of here. Alright, so that's what I'm going to plant. The peaches and cream. Bring it in here and show you. You just want to do them like that, about that deep. And all you do is take a little bit of dirt, put it on top, and give it a little bit of dusting. I'm coming right now. Just dust it up. Did you already get it? Put it down. And that's it. Easy peasy. Alright. Next time. Bye, babe. Babe.
Bye.
She's sad. She had to bury an egg. She found a little baby finch egg. Waiting for the mom to come back, and it did not. Just tried incubating it, it didn't work. She had to bury it. Alright guys. Peace.